Good evening, and this is the VGA monitor, and it is connected to the FPGA board using this VGA cable, and at both ends. And I have dumped a program in it, which demonstrates different colors when we press the push button. There are four push buttons over here, but in this experiment we are just using the center one and one on the right side. So we are using these two push buttons. The center push button is used to increment and display different colors. When we press the button at different times, it displays different colors. And this corner button is the reset button. If we are in the middle of something and if we press this button, the colors get reset to black. The color gets reset to black. And there are four LEDs over here. 1 2 3 4. We are using this 4 LEDs when we because when we press a button, it displays one. It represents the binary format of 7 numbers, that is from 0 to 7. When we press this, the LED goes on, and when we press again, it represents number 2 in the binary format, and that represents 3, that represents 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. And when we go again, it shows 0, because yeah, we are just using the 3 LEDs over there. And yeah, this is the demonstration for color display when we press the push button. So yeah, this is the red color, the first one, blue, green, pink, yellow, sky blue, white, and black. Thank you.